This video tutorial I will explain HTTP headers. Headers are used to provide meta information. Meta information is nothing but additional information about the data. And headers are part of HTTP request message, and also it is part of HTTP response message. In case of HTTP request message, headers contains additional information about the data which we send from client to the server. And in case of HTTP response message, the headers contains additional information about the data which server sends to the client. Here we will see the example of headers which is related to HTTP request message. Here you can see the mobile phone which sends a request to the server saying give me the latest news, and also it sends user agent header, and this header specify the request is coming from mobile phone, and server receives the request, and based on this header the server will come to know the request is coming from mobile phone. So server process the request, and it prepare the response and send the response in mobile friendly format to the mobile phone. Here we will see the example of header which is related to HTTP response message. And here you can see the example of response header content type colon text slash HTML, which indicates the server is sending HTML response to the client. Suppose server is sending JSON response to the client, then content type will be JSON. And if server is sending XML response to the client, then content type will be XML. Now I am going to send request to google.com, and by default Postman is sending 7 headers. Click on this, and these are the list of headers the Postman is sending to the Google server, and these are the additional information about the request. And key and the value. Key is cookie is the header name and the corresponding value, and host is the header name and the corresponding value. User agent is the header name and the corresponding value. Click on send, and here we got the output in the HTML format. Click on preview, and you can see the page, and here you can see the headers which is the response headers. These headers are sent by server to the client, and these informations are additional information about the HTTP response. Date, expires, hash control, content type. Here content type is HTML, meaning we got the response in HTML format. Suppose I want to get the response from Google server in French language. We will see how to do that. In the request header, there is a header called accept language. Add this, and value mention as FR. Then click on send, and here you can see we got the response in French language. So once the request goes to the Google server, based on this accept language header, the Google server come to know it has to send response in French language. So it has sent response in French language. Here in header key, if you type A, and it is showing default HTTP headers which we can set in the HTTP request and send it to the Google server. Accept character set, etc. Click on console, and this is the request. It went from Postman to the Google server. Expand this. Here you can see request header section, and in that you can see the list of request headers went from the Postman client to the Google server. And here you can see response header section, and here you can see the list of headers which server sent to the client. And here you can see response body section. Click on open to open the response content. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.